Hi Alex, are you ready to see some nice gemstones?
Yep, I waited the whole year for this.
Okay, we are in Place Saint-Bonaventure in Montreal, and we're gonna see a very nice gemstone. Apparently they have more than 100 stand there, and we're gonna see what it's look like. Okay, come on guys. Alex, it's the place here.
Yeah.
And as you can see, there is more than 100 dealers. You have stones, fossil, jewelry, beads, carving, findings, tools, and you can even bring your gem, your stone for identification. It looks like very nice.
Yeah.
Come on. I guess
This is it.
we are on the good way, Alex.
Yep.
Ça c'est le trolobite ça ou
Pas exactement ça.
Ancienne en dessous et les plaques sont au-dessus. Et en plus, pour faciliter les choses, il y a eu des plaques. Vous voyez, c'est donc ça a fait comme ça. Ensuite, ça a cassé comme ça. Ça veut dire
Ah bah oui.
marcher 500 mètres.
Et ça aussi, ça vient de la région ou
Ça là, de la prairie.
la prairie?
Ouais. Votre carrière, elle qui faisait de la brique.
Alexandre me disait que, parce qu'on était supposé aller voir ça au club, asbestos, mais ça fonctionne par tirage, qui me dit, pour les visites ou...
Ça améliore tout le temps.
Prends ta carte de membre.
OK,
On y va par l'ordre d'inscription des cartes de membre.
OK.
Fait qu'on est limité à...
A very well cut stone here.
Lots of beautiful stones, eh?
Yeah, very nice. You have a nice collection.
Thank you, thank you.
Too bad there's no ruby up, huh?
Are you a collector of stones? Do you like to?
This is a very fine. There was the only stone left in the collection, and we decided to buy.
You got a nice specimen, Alex.
Yeah, I'll treasure it.
Yeah. Alex, there is too much gems and fossil and everything. It's too much.
It's too much.
We're gonna have to stay here 1 week.
Don't say that. Don't say that.
It's impossible to check everything. It's extremely nice. It's a very nice place. Everybody should come here once a year to see that exhibition. Very nice.
Okay. So here we have some nice shells. Mostly come from the Philippines.
So you can hear the sea really.
All the time you can hear the sea.
Yeah.
Même les belles boucles d'oreilles, regarde.
Et moi j'ai vu des gars qui travaillent des boucles d'oreilles.
Belle assortie.
Mais ce qui est bien, c'est que c'est pas ça, c'en est un autre. Donc, ça, c'est...
So here we have some nice rare amalite, and they're so nice, well polished. I am amazed how nice they are.
Nice rubies. Just kidding. Rubies. Oh, I think
like a gemstone.
Don't
See how nice and polished it is?
Yeah.
And then here we have more smaller fossils, a bit larger.
Look at that. Look.
Those are big trilobites.
Yeah.
They are so big. I am amazed this collection is so well preserved, so well detailed. I'm amazed. These are what, Papa?
Is it okay to check? Did you answer that?
Yeah.
Sure.
Yes, Alex, after all those nice stones, I'm a little bit overwhelmed by the beauty of the gems here.
It was amazing what we can find here.
Yeah, very amazing, and everyone should come here.
At least once.
Yeah, to see at least, or to buy a nice gemstone. Bye, guys.
Bye bye.